Hello guys, welcome to MR.LEARNING. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Windows Update error code KB5062660 in version 24H2. So it is simply process. Before begin, please like and comment this video. Don't forget subscribe our YouTube channel. And let's start the solution. First solution for the restart. So go to the start menu. Then click to power button. Then select the restart button. Click here to restart your system. Then go to the next solution, services. So open the services and click to open it. Scroll down, find Windows Update, then click to Windows Update selected, then right click to the properties. Startup type is manual. Okay, it is not to touch. So here come to below the service status already running. It is stopped. Then click to start button. Click here to started. Hit the apply and OK button. Click here to come to back. Then go to the next solution. The command promote. So then type that command promote. Then with run as administrator. Click to open it. Then type that command promote for sfc space /scan now enter. So this process will take some time, so wait. Verification 100% is completed, then only then go to the next solution. I will skip it, but you do not skip it now. It is finished then only, then go to the next solution. Okay, now go to that update file delete. So go to the file exporter, then this PC local disk, click to local disk C, then find that Windows folder, then click to, then select it, then right click, then select the properties. Sorry, is double tap to open it, then scroll down, find the software distribution folder, double tap to open it, then select it all, then right click, then click to delete button, again try again, it is after, skip it, then come to close it, that go to the next solution, then troubleshoot Windows Update. So go to the settings, click to open it, then type that Windows Update, then scroll down, find fixing problem with Windows Update, click here to open it, then next click on it, then wait here, okay, it is finished. Then close it, then go to the next solution for the finally restart your system, then go to that settings, open it, then Windows Update, click here to download again, restart, then your problem fixing now. Thanks for watching and like and comment this video. Don't forget subscribe my YouTube channel. Do you need any videos? Please ask me. And this method is working or not working, comment section, go to comment, and don't forget subscribe our YouTube channel.